Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a discount code on Eventbrite. Here are the steps to add a discount code for an event on Eventbrite. The first thing to do is to log into Eventbrite. Go to eventbrite.com and log into your account with your credentials. On the Eventbrite homepage, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, which is identified by your account's email address. Just hover over that option, and you'll be provided with a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Manage My Event, and that's going to walk you into a new window. In the new window, you'll see a left-hand navigation menu, and the second option right there is Events. Click on Event to display the list of all your events. I have not created an event on Eventbrite, so there's literally nothing to show for me. But if you have, you will see all your events in this window. Now select the event for which you want to add a discount code by clicking on the event's title. Once you click on the event's title, it's going to take you to the events management page for that event. Within your selected events management page, locate and click on Marketing from the left-hand navigation menu. Under the Marketing section, look for an option labeled Promotions, Discounts, or Discount Codes. Eventbrite may label these differently based on your update. Click on Discount Code or anything similar, which should open a window for managing and creating codes. Click on Create Discount Code or New Code, and in the fields provided, enter the code name, that is the actual discount code attendees will use, the discount amount, which is the percentage of fixed amount, and any additional conditions you wish to set. Now, specify any details for the discount code, such as the start date and end date. Set the dates and times when the discounts will be active. Then, on ticket type, select the ticket types that the discount code applies to. Usage limit, limit the number of times the code can be used overall or per customer if desired. After entering all required details, click Save or Apply to create the discount code. Once saved, your discount code should appear in the list under Discount Code section. Attendees can now use this code during checkout to receive the discount. Your discount code is now active and ready for attendees to use when purchasing tickets for your event. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.